Are you wasting hours researching information, manually creating tasks, and trying to analyze your project data? Does jumping between different tools for each of these tasks slow you down massively? Here's the problem. Doing all of this manually is costing you hours and hours every single week. What if I told you the AI ClickUp Brain agent can research for you, create tasks instantly, and analyze all your workspace data? In this video, I'll show you exactly that. Let's get into it. So first things first, in order to get started, you're going to need a ClickUp account. If you don't have a ClickUp account, you don't need to worry. You can sign up for free today. Just check the link down below in the description of this video. Once you've signed up, then you'll go through the registration process. Once you're done with the registration process, what you're going to do is you're going to create a new workspace. What you can see here on the top left is that my workspace is called AI Automation Workflow. Once you're done creating a new workspace, what's going to happen is that you're going to have all these details over here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a new space within the actual workspace. So a space is basically a category that exists within your workspace. So you can see over here that I've created a space called AI Automation Space. And in the space, this is where I can create documents, lists, and all that jazz. And once you're done with that, then you are ready to actually get going with the AI ClickUp Brain agent. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here where it says direct messages. So just go there and then select new message. Greatness all around. And then what you're going to do is, in order to actually get going, you're going to then need to select the person that you're going to direct message. And so in this instance, I'm just going to select myself over here, Peter Mudiba. And then I can actually start with actually leveraging the agent. And so what I'm going to do is, you can see that there's different icons down below. And so this gives you an indication of the functionalities and the capabilities of how you can actually make use of the platform. And so because I want to engage with the agent, I'm just going to select the icon over here, and it's called Brain. And so if I select it, then this is when the agent is about to get kickstarted. And so you can see it's giving me an indication of what I can actually do. So it says, how can I help you today? I can answer questions, search, and write anything. So I can ask anything about this specific channel. And also for this channel, I can summarize the channel, I can create a task, and I can also write. So there are different things that I can actually do. And also you can imagine this, if you have team members and you have people that you're engaging with and communicating with on this specific channel, then you can actually understand how powerful this functionality can actually be, because you can do a variety of things. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to keep it very short, simple, and straight to the point. I'm just going to show you 3 things that you can do with this agent. I'm going to show you how to research, create tasks, and also analyze data. So the first thing that we're going to do is research. And so as I said, you can click on this icon over here, or what you can do is you can tag Brain. So you can say @ and then you can see that this pops up. So Brain new here, or my brain over here. So you can see that here my brain says privately ask anything using my knowledge, and then here it says ask Brain for answers, tasks, meetings, and more. So I'm going to use this top option over here. I wanted to then research something for me. So I'm going to say @Brain, looking at the list, which is YouTube, under my AI automation space, please can you curate and craft 10, I'm going to say and craft 10 upcoming videos for my YouTube channel. Please ensure that they are engaging and will lead to subscriber growth. Okay, so now I'm asking it to research, and I'm asking it to actually come up with 10 videos for my YouTube channel. And so you can see that I've entered, and now you can see that this ball over here is actually spinning, and you can see that Brain reacted with Brain is thinking. So it says here are 10 engaging YouTube video ideas for your AI automation channel designed to boost subscriber growth. AI tools, showdown, best free versus paid automation platforms in 2026, how to create viral AI generated explainer videos step by step, building a personal AI assistant from idea to automation, nice, not too bad, AI voice cloning, replicating your voice for content creation. So as you guys can see, I've got 10 video ideas which are very similar to the ideas that I already have in that space. And you can see at the end here it says, would you like me to create these as tasks in your YouTube videos list? If yes, I'll proceed and share the links here for easy tracking. Awesome stuff. So Brain, I don't want you to do that, but it's really great that I can actually research everything according to what's already within my space and actually do some brainstorming and also ideation, which is very, very handy. The next thing that I'd like to show you is how Brain is able to create tasks instantly for you. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tag Brain here. We're going to follow the same protocol. And now I'm going to say, at Brain, please may you create a task for me. You can call it ClickUp Brain agent demo. Please may you put it under the AI automation space under the TikTok videos list. Great. And now I want Brain to be able to then create this task under that specific space and under that specific list that I created. And so it's doing its thing. You can see that by doing its thing, you can see that this icon again is moving. And then I'm just going to wait in order to get a response and see what the actual result is. So you can see I've got a reply over there. And then it's saying the task ClickUp Brain agent demo to do has been created in the TikTok videos list under the AI automation space as requested. Let me know if you need changes or want to add more details. So now we need to see if this is the case. Let's see here, AI automation space. And then what I'm going to do here, you can see TikTok videos. This was originally on 0, but now it's on 1, which is a good indication. We go into that and you can see here, ClickUp Brain agent demo. So the task has been successfully created, and this is a very, very nice way of just streamlining your operations, streamlining your tasks, and making sure that everything is happening simultaneously. So for example, if I've got a TikTok idea and I just want quickly Brain to just add it to my list, then I can quickly just do that, and then it will be able to add it to the list automatically, instantly, which is not a problem. This is such a very handy feature and I really, really like it. Also, you're not just limited to this. You can also create other tasks like having calendar tasks. So if you go to Brain and then you ask it, hey, can you please schedule this specific meeting at this specific time, and you can title it this, here's the duration, here's the time frame. Brain will actually be able to also do that. So there's just a lot of things that you can actually do, and I really, really like the feature that ClickUp has actually added. And so I'm going to go back here to direct messages, and last but not least, I'm going to show you the last function that you can actually do using Brain. And so the last thing that you're going to do using Brain is that you're going to use it to analyze some workspace data. So I'm going to say at Brain, looking at my YouTube videos list, please give me a brief analysis of this list and the scope of tasks that I have. Great. I think that's a good prompt. So at Brain, looking at my YouTube videos list, please give me a brief analysis of this list and the scope of task that I have. And so what should happen is that this agent should be able to show me just a brief scope of what's happening in that list, and it should actually be able to show me, the stages of where the particular tasks are at, what's happening in that particular list, and then take it from there. So you can see that I've got this reply over here, and then let me see this brief analysis. So it says here, here's a brief analysis of your YouTube videos list and the scope of your tasks. So you can see here, it says you have 9 tasks in total. Most tasks, 6 are in the idea stage, 2 are marked as to do, and 1 is in scripting/research. None of the tasks have priority set or are assigned to anyone. All tasks have standard no subtasks or special types. Awesome stuff. Then it says to move forward, consider advancing tasks from idea to actionable stages, assigning tasks if you plan to collaborate, setting priorities or due dates for better scheduling, and if you'd like a deeper dive into specific tasks or help with organization, let me know. Awesome stuff. This is such a nice analysis, and I can actually see what is going on in that particular list, and it just ultimately gives me a very, very nice rundown. And that's about it, folks. You can use ClickUp's AI brain agent in order to research and brainstorm, in order to create tasks for you instantly, and also be able to analyze your workspace data. It's such a game changer. If this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section, and let me know what other videos you'd like me to create for you. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.